Creating effective Facebook ads for your business involves several key steps. Let's break down the process into a comprehensive guide. **1. Define your objectives. **. Clearly outline your goals, whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, or generating leads. Having specific objectives will guide your ad creation. **2. Know your audience. **. Understand your target audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. This information will help you create content that resonates with your audience. **3. Set a budget. **. Determine how much you're willing to spend on your Facebook ads. You can choose a daily or lifetime budget depending on your campaign, duration, and goals. **4. Choose your ad type. **. Facebook offers various ad formats, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and more. Select the format that aligns with your content and objectives. **5. Create compelling content. **. Craft attention-grabbing headlines and ad copy clearly. Communicate the value proposition of your product or service. Use high-quality visuals that are relevant to your brand. **6. Use captivating imagery. **. Visual appeal is crucial on Facebook. Ensure your images or videos are eye-catching, relevant, and in line with your brand identity. **7. Incorporate a strong call to action CTA. **. Prompt users to take the desired action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up, or visiting your website. Make your CTA clear and compelling. **8. Leverage ad targeting. **. Utilize Facebook's targeting options to reach your specific audience. You can target based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even custom audiences. **9. Utilize custom audiences. **. Upload your customer list to create custom audiences. This allows you to target existing customers or people with similar characteristics. **10. Implement lookalike audiences. **. Expand your reach by targeting users who share similarities with your existing customers. Facebook can generate a lookalike audience based on your current customer database. **11. Optimize for conversions. **. Choose the appropriate ad delivery optimization based on your campaign goals. This could include optimizing for clicks, impressions, or conversions. *12. Test and iterate. *. Run A/B tests on different ad elements such as headlines, images, and targeting options. Analyze the performance metrics and refine your ads accordingly. *13. Monitor analytics. *. Regularly review Facebook insights to gauge the performance of your ads. Track metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and engagement to make data-driven decisions. *14. Utilize Facebook Pixel. *. Install the Facebook Pixel on your website to track user interactions, This data can help you measure the effectiveness of your ads and optimize for better results. Asterisk asterisk 15. Adhere to Facebook's policies. Asterisk asterisk. Familiarize yourself with Facebook's advertising policies to ensure your ads comply with their guidelines. This helps avoid potential issues with ad approval and account suspension. Asterisk asterisk 16. Consider mobile optimization. Asterisk asterisk. Given the prevalence of mobile users, ensure that your ads are optimized for mobile devices. Check how your ads appear on various screen sizes. Asterisk asterisk 17. Schedule your ads. Asterisk asterisk. Determine the optimal times to display your ads based on when your target audience is most active on Facebook. Asterisk asterisk 18. Use ad placements wisely. Asterisk asterisk. Choose the right ad placements to maximize visibility. This could include the Facebook newsfeed, Instagram, Audience Network, and more. Asterisk asterisk 19. Retarget interested users. Asterisk asterisk. Create retargeting ads for users who have previously interacted with your website or engaged with your content on Facebook. Asterisk asterisk 20. Stay informed about updates. Asterisk asterisk. Facebook regularly updates its advertising platform. Stay informed about new features and changes that may impact your advertising strategy. By following these steps and continually refining your approach based on analytics, you can create effective Facebook ads that resonate with your target audience and drive meaningful results for your business. To create effective Facebook ads for your business, start by defining clear objectives. Understand your target audience and set a budget. Choose the right ad type like image or video ads and craft compelling content with attention-grabbing visuals. Incorporate a strong call to action CTA and utilize Facebook's robust targeting options, including custom and lookalike audiences. Optimize for conversions, test different elements with A/B testing, and monitor analytics through Facebook Insights. Install the Facebook Pixel for tracking. Adhere to Facebook's policies and consider mobile optimization. Schedule ads strategically. Choose placements wisely and use retargeting for interested users. Stay updated on Facebook's platform changes for optimal results.